Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today's unboxing session, I bought a pair of sneakers from the Goat app. I've got the box right here. I've sold a bunch of sneakers through the Goat app before, and I just thought it was about time that I became a customer of Goat for once, and just to experience what it's like to be a consumer. Basically, I just wanted to buy a pair of sneakers. So, without further ado, let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Okay, so here's the box. Already can smell that distinct Jordan glue smell, which I oddly quite like. The box is not too bad. It's a little, it's not in perfect condition, but can't really complain about that really. There's some little creasing marks all around. I don't even know what this is. Does this say Joseph? Is that, well, first of all, my name is not Joseph, but did someone get this as a birthday gift or something? Well, Joseph, clearly you didn't like the sneakers, because you sold it to me, so here we go. We've got the Goat verification card. Label and tag, sole, stitching, material, color, structure, accessories, box condition. Box condition, they passed box condition. I mean, I would say this is sort of like a mediocre condition, but okay. Shoe condition, right and left, size. So apparently everything passed for these pair of sneakers. So if there are two left pairs, or the color's different, or there's a shoelace missing, or it's a different size, I'm gonna send it back, because I'm a very, very scary man. But thank you in advance, Goat. Let's open it up then, shall we? Well, would you look at that? So this is pretty much what I've ordered. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Origin Story. It's, you know, the Spider-Verse, Spider-Man edition. Jordan 1s, so yep, size 10. Not too bad. Okay, so you know what? I've already noticed a little problem here. I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but there's this little dirt spots, like 2 dirt spots here. I don't even know what that is. Is that grease or gravy? That's a little disappointing, to be honest. Not so happy about that little spot right there, but okay. Let's check out the soles. I mean, they're not too bad, but again, I see a little bit of dirt patch around the back heel area. I'm not sure, maybe the person kind of tried it on and walked around a bit. I'm not too sure, but that's that. And let's see the inside of the sole. Shoelace intact, US size 10. Everything in the sole looks pretty good, I guess. But I just can't help the assumption that someone must have, whoever had this, tried this on, and on the way they dropped a little bit of whatever this gravy thing is, which is pretty annoying. But okay, well that's the left side. Let's check out the right side of the shoe. Okay, here's the right side. Looks okay. There's no patch here, that weird brown patch. Unlike the left one, if the right one had an identical spot, then I would have assumed that this was meant to be in the design. the two brown, disgusting looking gravy patch or whatever it is, but no, the right one does not have this brown patch, so I'm assuming that does not belong there. Checking out the heels. I mean, they're pretty good condition, but I'm pretty sure the camera cannot catch this, but again, around the heel area, it's getting a little dirt, sort of yellowish taint happening here. I'm not sure if that's just because of natural colorization or someone actually kind of tried it on for a bit and sort of like walked around the living room or whatever, but it's a tiny bit annoying, but not as annoying as this two brown spots. Goat, if you're watching this, I hope you sort of sort out your quality control a little bit more intensely. Just checking out the inside of the shoe. I've got a patch of hair here from the shoelace, so now we know this person, whoever this person was a blonde person, because this is like one blonde piece of hair. I could technically get this through and do a DNA test and then track down who the previous owner who dropped the gravy patch here is and confront them, but I'm generous, so I'm not gonna do that today. So on the right one, the Nike logo, the Nike Air logo is visible, but it does not have that little square sticker that the other left hand side had. This thing here. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be just on the left side, but I'm pretty certain that it's supposed to be on both sneakers, and I am missing that on this one here. So someone can tell me on the comment section below and let me know, do you think someone's been sort of wearing this a little bit? Because I have a feeling these aren't really dead stock sneakers. Someone's been, whoever the previous owner is, at least definitely, most definitely, sort of like tried it on and sort of like walked around a bit. But you guys be the judge and let me know in the comment section. What do you think? What should I do with this? I mean, they're in pretty good condition. Like, honestly, you know, I can't really complain that much, considering like these aren't like a brand new release. It's been like, what, at least a year since these actually came out. I believe it was like last December it came out or something, but it's been a year pretty much, so, well, almost a year. It's been like 8-9 months or something. So there you have it, my first sneakers purchase from the GOAT app. Honestly, I am a tiny bit disappointed with the quality control issues. These are supposed to be dead stock, brand new. I didn't buy it used. You know what I'm actually thinking? I'm almost thinking maybe the employee at GOAT, while they were authenticating these sneakers, maybe, I don't know, he was chewing on some Chipotle or some meat. He was having his lunch while he was going through these shoes, and then he was like speaking to another person, and he accidentally, like, you know, spat on the shoe, leaving a little bit of skirt steak mark on my Spider-Man Jordans. I'll live with it, you know, I'll live with it, even though I paid like $500 for a pair of sneakers. Well, there you go. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this little issue. What's your experience with GOAT? Do you prefer Stock X over GOAT, or am I just having a little OCD moment? Just let me know with your story and let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Or you could send me a pigeon with a little note on it. Whatever you fancy. Thanks for watching.